Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and I am up this morning trying to figure out what my house needs. Now, boycotting start tomorrow everywhere on all stores. So I am about to get up, go gas up my car, figure out what my house needs, and purchase that today because tomorrow the boycott on all stores starts. And even though that starts tomorrow, I'm not going back to Target, period. I'm never shopping at Target, you know, ever again. And y'all know I love to shop. But you better believe when someone shows you who they are, you better believe it's them. So don't go away mad. Just go away. Peace.